Welcome to the African Math, Mancala Math, Lesson 3. And we're going to have fun with a little review, and we're going to jump right into it. First, we're going to start by counting to 10, both forward and backwards. I'm going to start counting in with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Counting backwards, we have 10. Counting backwards, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now we're going to have fun writing our African numbers, our ancient African numbers used in ancient Egypt. And we're going to switch over to the africanmath.com/games/toy box. So you just go to the African Math toy box. Let's switch our background to a blackboard. So going over here to the right, we go click where beads is. We're going to click beads. You have to be on the touch. Okay, just scroll. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to come down to backgrounds. Let's make it the black background. Okay, great. So now we're going to learn how to write ancient African numbers, and we're going to count those in just like we were on the African abacus. You know, we can also do, we can bring out an African abacus here, and we're going to also have some fun. We're going to go up to our beads, and we're going to bring out our beads. Yeah, we can use our African abacus. And what beads? And we use yellow beads on the other one, so we'll use them on this one. Okay, just load a bowl with some beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent. Now we can have fun. Let's have fun now counting into our African abacus. Let's count in 5. I'm going to count in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Starting from right to left, counting at 5. Now we're going to draw the ancient African numbers 4, 5. And what's so awesome about the ancient African, also known as the ancient Egyptian system, is that tally marks were used to represent quantity, and they were very easy to draw, meaning making it easy for early learners as early as even 2 and 3 years old to learn how to count. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to learn how to count African math style. So we're going to start, and we're going to start counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all we have to do is write a tally mark for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to clear those away, and we're going to learn how we can draw the tally marks in different ways. We have the stacked and staggered system. Now, the stacked and staggered system makes it easy for us to recognize whether or not a value is odd or even. So what is odd or even? Even means we have an even pair. So here we have 1, 2. And whenever you have an even pair, that means the number is even. Anytime there's a 1 put together with an even number, this is making it 1, 2, 3. The 1 up here is called the odd one out. And that lets you know that the value is odd. So counting on from 3, we have 4, 5, 6, showing us that the value of 6 is an even value or an even quantity. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use this same system when drawing our ancient African numbers, also known as Kemetic or Egyptian numbers, where we're going to start by drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the stack system. This is where the numbers are stacked on top of each other. It's and aligned the best as we can possible. Now, this is the stacked version of 6, but there's also the staggered. Staggered is when you take your even numbers and you put together with an odd one out, counting on from 1, 2, and instead of stacking the value, you stagger it. So this would be our 3, showing that this is an odd value. And then we have 4, okay, and then 5, showing you that you have 2 pairs with an odd one in the middle, meaning that 5 is an odd value. And here we have 6, okay? So this is staggered. Now, when you do the stack method, you can combine the methods, okay? Let me show you how you can combine them, okay? You can, let's say if we wanted to do 7, okay? So and Kosi is going to make the value 7. Okay, we're going to bring in the value of 7, counting on from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7. This number represents the odd one out, making it very easy for us to draw a stacked 6 and a staggered 7, or the 7th value will be staggered. And the way you draw that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we stagger the odd one out. So this value would be the odd one out, making 7 an odd value. And that concludes our 3rd lesson of the African Math Mancala Math 10-frame game. I hope you had fun. Please look for the links below, and there's other videos that you can watch that you can have fun going to africanmath.com and following along. We look forward to hearing from you, having the next lesson next time. And always remember, education is preparation for the next generation to inherit their nation. Happy learning.